Ever wonder how some travelers breeze through the airport with one tiny bag while you're stuck zipping and squeezing? You're about to discover easy packing tricks frequent flyers use. These are space-saving hacks airlines don't teach you. If you're tired of wrestling your suitcase shut or paying extra for checked baggage, packing smart is the ultimate travel hack, and you don't need a first-class ticket to master it. Today, we'll reveal genius carry-on tricks that frequent travelers always use, but airlines conveniently don't mention. From smart ways to fold clothes to using every tiny space in your bag, you'll learn how to fit more stuff without making it heavy. Are you ready? Hit that like and subscribe button right before we dive in. Number 10. Make a packing list. Have you ever been so excited about a trip that when you arrive at your destination, you suddenly realized you forgot to carry along some important items? Well, many people have had similar experiences, and it's because they failed to make a packing list. As significant as this may sound, it'll determine if you have a great trip or end up with regrets. A packing list is just a simple checklist of everything you need for your trip. It helps you stay organized, avoid overpacking, and make sure you don't leave anything behind. You can write it on paper, type it on your phone, or even use pictures if that's easier. Start by thinking about your trip, how long you'll be gone, what the weather will be like, and what you'll be doing. Then list clothes, toiletries, gadgets, and anything else you'll need. Before you start packing, cross-check the list and be sure that nothing is left out. Checking things off as you pack is satisfying. It also helps you pack faster and with less stress. No more guessing or last-minute panic. What's the next step after you made that list? Number 9. Choose the right carry-on bag. Picking the right carry-on isn't just about how beautiful or classy the bag is. It's about size, shape, and ease of use. A good bag should comply with airline rules, be lightweight to carry, and have smart pockets to keep things organized. Soft-sided bags can stretch slightly to accommodate more items, while hard-shell ones offer better protection for your belongings. If your bag has wheels, make sure they roll smoothly. If it's a backpack, check that it feels comfy on your shoulders. Also, think about how the bag opens. A wide opening makes it easier to pack and find things. Some bags even have hidden compartments for shoes, laptops, or dirty clothes. That's super helpful. This might seem like the simplest hack, but it's also one of the most important steps to packing like a pro and skipping the stress airlines never warn you about. Now that you've chosen the perfect bag for your trip, let's look at the next space-saving hack. Number 8. Roll, don't fold. This is one of the smartest ways to save space in your bag. Instead of folding them like you normally do, roll them up like tiny tubes. While not everyone uses this method, it works well because rolled clothes occupy less room and don't get wrinkled easily. Folded clothes often pile up and leave empty spots, but rolled ones pack together nicely and use all the space. Let's say you're packing 5 shirts. If you fold them, they sit on top of each other and puff up. But if you roll them, you can line them up side by side and even tuck them into the corners of your bag. You'll be surprised how much more you can fit. Rolling also helps you see everything in your bag at once. You won't have to go through the stress of digging through layers to find your favorite t-shirt. It's neat, quick, and helpful, especially when you're in a rush. Your carry-on will thank you, and so will your back when you don't have to carry extra weight. Number 7. Pack dual-purpose items. Most of the time when packing for a trip, you might be tempted to carry along all your beautiful dresses and classy shoes. Well, while that might make your vacation fun, you'll have to pay for more luggage at the airport and probably have more baggage to carry around. However, when you pack dual-purpose items, it saves you both space and money. This means choosing things that can do more than one job. For example, a scarf can be a fashion piece, a blanket on the plane, or even a beach towel. A pair of leggings can be worn for sleep, workouts, or under a dress when it's cold. One item, many uses. This helps you pack less but still have everything you need. Instead of packing 3 things, you pack one that does all 3 jobs. It's smart, simple, and perfect for small bags. Let's say you bring a jacket with lots of pockets. It keeps you warm, holds your passport, and serves as a purse replacement. Or maybe you pack a shampoo bar. It's shampoo and soap in one, and it doesn't spill. Dual-purpose items also make packing faster. You don't have to think too hard, just pick things that work in different ways. Number 6. Use compression packing tubes. This is another useful tip that can help you pack more clothes without making your bag big. These cubes are like little zip-up bags that press your clothes, allowing them to take up less space. Feels like magic, but it's not. Using these cubes isn't as difficult as you think, but airlines won't teach you this. This is how it works. You put your clothes inside the cube, zip it up, and then use the second zipper to press even tighter. This pushes out extra air, making your clothes flatter. You can fit more shirts, pants, and even sweaters in your carry-on without it feeling stuffed. Compression cubes also keep your bag neat. You won't have clothes flying everywhere when you open your suitcase. You can pack one cube for shirts, one for pants, and one for underwear and socks. It's like having drawers inside your bag. It's one of those hacks airlines don't tell you, but frequent travelers count on it. Number 5. Use every inch of space. Your carry-on isn't just a container waiting to be filled up. Ensure you've studied its space carefully. Of course, the big items go in first, but it doesn't stop at that. What happens to the tiny spaces left at the edges and in the middle? Use the edges and corners of your bag for flat items like books or folded shirts. Even your toiletry bag can be packed smart. Use small containers and tuck them into tight spots. This helps you pack more without making your bag heavy or messy. That way you don't go digging for your toothbrush at the bottom of the bag. Number 4. Limit toiletries. Ever packed your bag and realized your toiletry kit takes up half the space? You can fix that problem if only you limit your toiletries for that trip. You don't need full-sized bottles of shampoo or lotion for your short trip. Tiny travel-size items such as solid versions like shampoo bars and lotion sticks save space and won't spill in your bag. You can even get creative by using small containers such as contact lens cases for creams or toothpaste. Hotels often provide basic toiletries as well, so you may not need to bring everything. Additionally, airlines only allow small amounts of liquid in carry-on bags, and keeping them light helps you get through security faster. This makes your bag lighter and your trip easier. The best part is there will be no leaks, no mess, just smooth packing. Number 3. Limit shoe count. Ever packed 5 pair of shoes for a trip and ended up wearing only 2? Most times you might feel all 5 will be useful, but that's hardly ever true. Shoes take up a lot of space, and they're usually the heaviest things in your bag. So instead of packing every pair you might wear, choose just 2 or 3 that match most of your outfits. Also, before packing those shoes, ensure you wipe them clean. Number 2. Stuff your shoes. This might sound weird, but it's super helpful. Shoes take up a lot of room in your bag, but the inside of your shoes is empty. Instead of leaving it that way, you can make good use of the space. You can tuck small things like socks, underwear, or even travel-size shampoo bottles inside your shoes. It's like turning your shoes into tiny storage boxes. Now that's a smart move. Instead of leaving your sneakers or boots hollow, roll up your socks and push them inside. You can also put your phone charger or earbuds in a small plastic bag and slide that in too. This way, you're using space that would normally be wasted. This tip also helps your shoes keep their shape. When shoes are stuffed, they don't get squished or bent in your bag. That means they'll look better when you wear them, and you'll have more room for other things. It's simple and totally airline approved, even if they never tell you about it. Ready to roll into the final packing hack? Number 1. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Big things like jackets, boots, and hoodies take up a lot of room in your bag. But if you wear them while you're flying, you free up space for other stuff like clothes, snacks, or souvenirs. If you're packing for a cold trip, don't squeeze that thick coat into your suitcase, just wear it on the plane. The same goes for heavy shoes or sweaters. You can always take them off once you're seated and use them as a pillow or blanket. It's comfy and clever. This also helps you avoid extra baggage fees. Airlines don't count what you wear, so wearing your biggest items means you can pack more without paying more. This way you'll save space, skip stress, and maybe even stay warmer too. Traveling with just a carry-on may feel hard in the beginning, but it gets much easier when you use the right packing tricks. Once you learn how to do it, you'll enjoy moving through airports faster and wonder why you ever packed big bags before. Which of these space-saving hacks would you love to try? Let us know in the comments. For more smooth travel tips, like, share, and subscribe to Airside Tips. Fly safe.